Hi, I'm Karen McFadden, founder of Money Insights and visionary behind MiMi. Thank you so much for being an early tester. In this video, we're going to highlight the onboarding process, how MiMi matches you to grants and grant writers, and then what happens next. Before we get you onboarded, let me just remind you of why we're building MiMi and what value she can add to your business. Ultimately, she is our AI-powered money matchmaker, built to become your financial bestie by doing 3 things on your behalf: learning about your business, highlighting financial blind spots that you're possibly missing, and matching you to finance experts and opportunities in seconds, saving you time and hopefully helping you embrace more financial wins as you grow. Now, phase 1 is all about grant matching. First up, you'll come to mimi.moneyinsights.uk. If you've never signed in before, then you will go down to sign up, at which point you'll be asked to create a profile. Now, once you've created your profile, MiMi will want to get to know you a bit. So I've pre-populated a few tabs here just to speed things up, but of course you'll make this relevant to yourself. The most important thing is at the bottom here. It will ask you a little bit about the project that you're looking to fund. Now, really, all you need to do is put a very simple 1, 2, 3 sentences, however much you like, because with the power of AI these days, that will beef it up for you. So this now spits out to MiMi an expanded version of what your project description was. Of course, it's up to you to read through that and you can amend it as you wish. Now we complete onboarding. So this is where MiMi is now scanning the UK grant space on your behalf and has found 10 potential grants for you. Really, at this point, MiMi wants to understand which ones do you like and which ones will we scrap. So you can show her by simply doing the Tinder swipe, or you can click you love this one, you love the next one, you don't like this one, and eventually you'll come to your last one. So you're all caught up on the grants that MiMi thinks you would like. At this point, you have the opportunity to go through them in more detail. So let's take the first one, for example. We'll just click on it to open up further. Now, really here, it's to give you a very quick overview of the basic details of this grant. What you can apply for, the deadline, a little bit about the description and the eligibility. Now, after looking through a grant, you might decide that you do want to learn more about it. So you can simply click the original source, and that will take you to a page where you can learn a lot more information about what's involved. After reading, you might come to the decision that yes, this is something that you want to apply for. And if so, you've got 2 options: DIY or work with a grant writer. Now, the DIY option is very you-led, so you would be using your team and a mix of maybe AI tools to help you write the application. However, if you did decide to work with a grant writer, then we have a partners page that shows you trusted, vetted experts that we have worked with for years. This page is really to help you find the partner that fits your project best. So let's say you want to learn more about Claudia's profile, you would simply click on View. And here you will find a very quick overview on Claudia and why she might be a good fit for you. If you decided after reading that you want to have a follow-up call, you simply click this box, fill out the information, and request a call. You can, of course, go back to the partners page and book in another call with another partner. And you'll always get access to our partners either here at the top or when you view more. Now, another fun fact about this trial is that we are all about financial education and matchmaking. So if you did want to learn our 10 insights around grant funding and what it looks like and the things to be aware of, then you can click our guide and it will take you through to our live link. At the top here, we have a frequently asked questions section, which you can explore at your leisure. And of course, if you did have any follow-up questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to my team on info@moneyinsights.uk. You can, of course, also jump through to the Money Insights website. We are all about helping UK founders make smarter money moves. One more Brucey bonus before you leave. We are designing MiMi to work whilst you sleep. Now that she knows you a little bit more, she will continue to look for grant funding on your behalf, meaning every now and then you'll get emails to say, MiMi has found you some new grants. And this is what that email will look like. And that's us, easy peasy. So please test, enjoy, provide feedback, and thank you for supporting Money Insights.